Hello students, today we will start our topic with one story. Raj was out for an evening walk with his family, and while they were walking, Raj came across an electronic store and he was really surprised to see the prices of the different electronic items. Why was he surprised? Well, he had never seen such numbers. What are these numbers? Raj knew that numbers till 9999. So he knew all the 4-digit numbers. But what are these numbers? All these numbers are actually 5-digit numbers, and he had never seen such numbers. So he was very curious as to what are these numbers. You also learn all the 4-digit numbers in the previous class, but don't know about the 5-digit numbers. How to read the 5-digit numbers? We learn here. Let's see. Look at this number 9999. It is a 4-digit number. In fact, it is greatest 4-digit number. We know that this 9 is in the place of ones, this 9 is in the place of tens, this 9 is in the place of hundreds, and this 9 is in the place of thousands. We also know that we use capital O for ones, capital T for tens, capital H for hundreds, and capital T and small h for thousands. Now, what is the next number after this number? We know that when we have 9 in ones place, for this 9, that for the digit 9 to change to the next digit, and that is 0. Now what is the number before 9? It is 999. These numbers should also increase by 1. So after 999, the next number we know that it is 1000. So we will have 1000 here. So this 0 goes here, this 0 goes here, and now I have 1 and 0 left. So I write 1 and 0 here. So this is the next number after 9999, and that is 10000. 0 is in the place of ones, 0 is in the place of tens, 0 is in the place of hundreds, and 10 is in the place of thousands. Oh, here 2 digits in one place. We know that we cannot put 2 digits in one place or in one row. So what will happen? This 1, it will shift to the left, and this is a new row, or you can say this is the new place for this 1. Now this 1 is actually represents 1 0 0 0 0, means 1 0 is 10, that is 10 in the thousands place, means 10,000. So this 1 represent 10,000. So this new place is called 10 thousands. TEN 10 and thousands. It is written as capital T, small h. Capital T for tens and capital T and small h for thousands. This new place is known as 10,000s place. So the left of 1000 place is called the 10,000 place. And this 10,000 is 5-digit number? Look at here. 1 0 0 0 0. 1 2 3 4 5 means 5-digit number. In fact, it is a smallest 5-digit number. Now, what is the next number after this number? We know that 0 in the ones place is changed into 1. Why? We know that we keep on increasing by 1 in the place of ones place digit. So, the next number will have 1 in the ones place and all the digits to the left remains the same. So, the next number will be 1 0 0 0 1, and proceeding in this manner we can find the next number like 1 0 0 0 2, 1 0 0 0 3, and it's going so on. The digits keep on increasing by 1 and we can proceeding in a similar manner. And we can write the all 5-digit numbers one after the other. Now look at here. What is the next number after this number? Here we have one more 5-digit number and it is 1 0 0 9 9. We know that when we have 9 in the ones place, for this 9, that for the digit 9 to change to the next digit, and that is 0. Now what is the number before this 9? It is 1 0 0 9. This number should increased by 1. So after 1009, the next number will be 1010. So we will write here 1010. So our new 5-digit number is 10100. So this is how we can find the next number given any 5-digit number. Now look at here. I am taking one more 5-digit number and this number is 99998. Now what will be the next number after this number? So here 8 is in the place of ones. So we increasing by 1 in the place of the ones place digit. So what comes after 8? 9. So we write 9 here and rest of the left digits are remains as it is. So write here 9 9 9 9. So the whole number is 9 9 9 9 9. 5 times 9. This is the last 5-digit number and you can also say that this is the greatest 5-digit number. So here we see that how we can write the different 5-digit number. This place to the left of the thousands place is known as the 10,000 place. And now we also know that given any 5-digit number, how we can write the numbers after that. So if there is a 9 is in the place of ones, that 9 will change into the 0 and rest of the number left will be increased by 1. Otherwise, whatever is there in the ones place, that digit will increase by 1 and the digits to the left remains the same. Now, what comes after this number? This we will learn later. Till then, you need to practice and writing all the 5-digit numbers. There are so many of them and you really enjoy learning those new numbers. Thank you.